Hello and welcome. It is Friday, the 24th day of February 2017. My name is Derek and welcome. Lots to discuss within the silver and Bitcoin charts as they're having interesting breakout days on both sides. Within silver, we can see that this resistance or sideways correction of about a week's time has broken out today. And up to this 1830-ish area I've been talking about, will this be a level of resistance? I think probably if the trend remains, maybe it might go up a little further, another nickel or dime, and then come back to this point and continue the trend as it's been in, well, this one here of this sideways movement, which we can see right now is not quite at the top part, closer to about 18 and a half as its projected area for its movement. Now, today's Friday. It's an interesting day. Historically speaking, at least for the 8-9 years I've been following this chart, that Fridays, especially with these bull movement days, can have some very interesting sessions. So keep an eye on that, but that would be the analysis there as far as Bitcoin is concerned. Look at this Fibonacci point. Perfectly hit by $1. And it's an outside day and a strong one, to say the least, coming back down to this 18 average. It means now that it's more strong right now at 1193 as it was yesterday at 1193, or in that area, because it's already had this correction, whereas before it had went straight up with just minor corrections along the way. And as far as a move to 1295, I talked about that number yesterday. This line would move right up here if it goes to 1295, and this line would move right up here. Usually these numbers happen to work out in key areas, and quite frankly, even though this hit support today, it is not a key area. I'm expecting 1295 to be tested. Based on the volatility, it wouldn't surprise me if it happened today or tomorrow. Let's shorten this out to the time frame of just 6 hours. And again, this Fibonacci point on a hit of this point where you find support. Not quite here, but still nonetheless, whether it hits previous resistance or well above it, just as strong. And since that point, it has now been rising to the upside, breaking past this level. There should be nice bullish movement to continue its upward trend. Now, continuing on within this outside day, historically speaking, you can read this if you wish, but this is when you have an outside day and the median 50-day volatility is at least double it. So if you have a 4% median volatility, you need to have at least 8. And of course, today's does have that with the volatility in at 11.8%. So yes, this should remain higher, as this is one of the strongest setups that I have pretty much seen. And the odds of 1295 coming into play is pretty big. So we'll see how this plays out. This area here is definitely now going to be large support in at about 1145. Take care.